Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals and concepts not available in any book or over the web. Most trusted channel and resource to build or advance your career in IT audit, IT security, IT SOX, IT risk and IT compliance. Friends, as part of our ITGC journey, I already have over 125 videos related to various control areas across application, server and database layers with a new video every week on my channel. So please leverage them to understand these concepts thoroughly and build or advance your career. Friends, I got a few questions primarily related to change management ITGC category around regular or routine changes and emergency changes. So I decided to cover it in a separate video today so that it will benefit all of you, as it is important to understand these concepts for any risk, security, control, compliance or audit assessment. So I've listed both the questions on the board here and we'll go one by one with these questions. First one is, what kind of changes come under regular or routine or non-emergency? They all mean one and the same thing, versus emergency changes. So what kind of changes come under regular change category and emergency change category? So firstly, before we dive into the main response, let's understand and discuss the nature of changes which can be implemented across an application, server and database. Now these changes are primarily in two categories. First one is the basic or cosmetic changes, which are mostly related to the front end or UI, which is the user interface, and it's around changing the look and feel of the system. So that's what the first basic cosmetic changes look like. And then second category in terms of nature of changes are functional changes like configuration, code, data level changes, which will impact the overall functionality of an application, server and database. An example can be adding a new module or capability to enhance the system, any sort of patches, upgrades and the like. They all fall under functional changes. So cosmetic changes, in terms of nature of changes, the first one is cosmetic changes, very basic ones related to front end or user interfaces, just to change the look and feel of the system. Second one is functional changes, which is more around any sort of config, code or data level changes, which will impact the functionality of the system, as the name suggests, which is mostly deployed to enhance the system or some sort of major changes like patches and upgrades. Now coming to the response of this specific question on what kind of changes come under regular versus emergency changes.